Using Excel and financial calculator, I will show you how to calculate the stock value today. Let's collect the information first. In this case, expected dividend D1 equals 7.77. Required rate of return equals what? 5.81%. Growth rate 3.11%. Given information, we employ constant growth model to figure out the stock value today. Present value of Apple. Expected dividend divided by required rate of return minus growth rate. Okay? Enter. 287.78 will be the stock value today. Okay? Financial calculator. Expected dividend 7.77 divided by open 0.0581 minus 0.0311. Close. Enter. You will get same value. Okay?